Hi guys, if you have forgot about the password of the RedNOTE app and don't know how to change it, then this tutorial is definitely for you. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change password in the RedNOTE app. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the RedNOTE app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now, tap onto three lines at the top left corner, just right here. Then here you can find the settings option at the bottom. Now tap on it. Then tap onto account security at the top, just right here. Now here you can find the option of password. Now open it. Now from here you can simply add a new password and enter the password again and tap on to done. One thing to remember, your password needs to be strong, and I guess you know that. So change it and simply add it. Now don't forget your password. If you forget it, you can simply come back to this video again. And that's it. This is how you can change the password in the RedNOTE app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.